Landria here, founder of DigitalExplorers.net. I'm going to say something that might surprise you. It's about affiliate marketing. I think affiliate marketing is brilliant. It's not MLM. What's that? Pyramid schemes, multi-level marketing. It's just trying to get more people on board. Affiliate marketing is straight out promoting something and getting a commission, just like a salesperson would. And you can pick and choose what you're selling. Here's what I want you to know about affiliate marketing. It should never, ever permanently be your sole source of income. Why do I say that? Now that's pretty funny coming from somebody who did just that. In fact, when I first started my career, I had no clue what products or services I wanted to promote. I really didn't want to be a coach. I didn't even know what I would coach because I was a former investment banker. And so I went into an affiliate program. It was a high ticket, and I actually was one of the top performers. I became a leader. I was able to actually do it for a living with this one business. Now herein lies the challenge. If you create your entire income stream around somebody else's business, you're relying on their performance, whatever they're doing, and also you're getting a commission. All right, now let's talk about that. When I make a sale for a commission on a high ticket item, let's say it's a $10,000 ticket item, right? Let's say it's a $10,000 training program. Let's say I even get 20% of that. I'm going to get $2,000. That's pretty good considering it's not even my program, right? Now what happens if I have my own program for only $5,000? I make $5,000. Yes, there's some costs in that, but there's costs over here too when you promote an affiliate link, especially if you do paid advertising. I'm going to make $2,000 on a $10,000 program, and I'm going to make $5,000 on a $5,000 program. What business model works best? Yeah. So at Digital Explorers, I'm training my students on how to create the core business. And we always have affiliate marketing links that go along with that. They're secondaries. Now, you could start out as an affiliate and just build on that and then create other income streams. That's totally possible, and I can teach you how to do that. But we always pick high ticket items. Why? Because you don't want to be selling books for $1 commission here, or some small item, you get 50 cents, maybe $5. You'd have to do a lot of sales, and I'm going to tell you, you might as well be making 20 bucks making phone calls online for a travel agency or something like that. 20 bucks an hour could be a lot more than putting all this effort into sales for small ticket items. So if you're going to be an affiliate, we have you pick secondary affiliate programs, or I should say items, products, or services that are at least substantial or complement your course. So let's say you're a yoga instructor. And so what you want to do is we decide what that looks like. The creation station takes you through every step. We decide what that looks like and have a whole process where we end up creating the core foundation, the earner, how you're going to earn money. But it's all about you loving your life, how you're going to live it, how you're going to deliver all those items. And we go through all these steps, and then we say, what are the secondary income streams that complement that? So it might be yoga mats or blocks or whatever those tools are. I don't do yoga. I should do yoga, but I don't. And so you might make $5, $10, $20, but that is not something you're spending a lot of time on. While you are a yoga instructor and you recommend it, it's just a link down in what you offer or recommend your students. It's not you promoting it out there or doing paid ads or any kind of marketing campaigns, because that's your core income. Does this make sense? So my strategy is very different than most people. So when you see the ways to make money online, what is it like? Here's what you do, here's how you make money. Recruiting. By the way, I was a recruiter. It's one of my first jobs. It was not a good position. Most recruiters, they can't handle it anymore. But yet people are going and doing recruiting online and not with no real agency behind them. It's insanity. It's insanity. One way of making business, it's not your business. It's just a way to make money. We create a business. You own it, you're the brand, you have the core income, and multiple income streams. We build a lot more. It could be courses, master classes, one-on-one coaching, group coaching. It could be events, virtual events. You name it, we have the resources to build it, but it's all customized to you and your life, because people associate work with not loving what they do to earn money. We create a lifestyle that you love, and you're not working. You're earning, doing something you're passionate about, and you have purpose in life. What a concept. That's how we should be earning. That's how we earn here at Digital Explorers. So the affiliate program, it built my whole business, but everything came from that, and now I own several brands online, several online businesses, and I have over 100 affiliate income streams coming in that are automated in my Amazon store, on my YouTube channel. They're all coming in just by me mentioning something. It is not my core income streams. Yes, are you ready to do this? Because if you're interested and you're not already signed up to my email list, my Digital Explorers, you can get more information, and I'm going to tell you more secrets about why most online businesses fail. Most. I'm talking about the big percentage. It doesn't have to be that way. When you're not working, but you're earning, you're loving life. And if you're online, you got that flexibility. You can live anywhere in the world. If you're interested in all my free information, come on over. I've got some special stuff for you, and I'm going to teach you more about what does work so you can be a real business owner online. It's endless. You ready to go there? I hope to see you. Thanks so much for listening.